So this is my current setup. You can see the battery meter for the solar charge controller here. I just took it out of the other container that I had it in and kind of leaned it on its side, and it seems to be staying here pretty well, so I'm alright with that. On the bottom there I have my inverter currently powered on. I'm not going to need to get to it often because the extension circuit breaker runs out, and I can just take that out to power whatever I need to power. The charge controller is here. I'm not going to need to take that out much as well. I set it up so that I have positive and negative leads coming off, and I used these hoses again to just, protect against shorts. So yeah, they seem to work okay. The longer one is the positive, the shorter one is the negative, and they're not going to be coming out because I have some like tape on the end, but they can move if you force them, so that's kind of by design right there. Then I have the solar extension cable right there. I have the different cell monitoring pieces over there, and it is all connected and in a new box at the moment, so I'm gonna test this out for a while and see how it does, and get back to you with the results. Alright, till next time, take care.